I'm here with Wes from Irrigation. He's going to show us how to do a general service strip down on a sprinkler head.
First thing we want to do is remove the riser. Then we want to check inside, make sure these areas here around where the seals sit are all nice and clean and bare. It's normally good if you're out in the field to take a bucket of clean water with you so you can swill these areas and make sure they're clear. And then we're going to take out the bottom valve from right down there. Insert clips. Should point out, but before removing the bottom valve, that make sure the system is depressurized, because as soon as that removes there, you go straight through. Then we want to check around the whole mechanism for all there, especially these seals. Make sure they're not damaged or full of grime. And clear away any debris from the rock screen, and then just check there's no debris, especially in the bottom pilot tube at the bottom there. Once it's all clear, we can then get our devices which put them back together. It's important to line up our tube with the pitot tube in the bottom. Most manufacturers will have guidelines on. Let me check it's fully down in there. Insert the clip. Make sure it's all secure. And then we can pop the riser back in, ensuring that we see where the nozzle's firing. And there we go, we're back together. We can repressurize the system, and then we've checked that everything is in working order.